Want to turn your home into a modern luxury retreat? These Amazon Home Essentials bring premium comfort, sleek design, and smart functionality right to your space. From elegant lighting to next-level tech upgrades, every item adds a touch of sophistication to daily living. All products are linked in the description below. This isn't your ordinary coffee table. It's a full smart hub for your living room. It keeps your drinks perfectly chilled with dual refrigerator drawers, plays music through Bluetooth speakers, and even charges your devices wirelessly. The LED lights sync to your tunes, while the built-in control panel lets you adjust everything right from the tabletop. Turn your bathroom into a private spa with this luxurious Whirlpool bathtub. Equipped with 11 powerful jets and soothing chromotherapy lights, it delivers a full-body hydro massage that melts away stress and tension. The sleek design features a side glass panel and ergonomic recline for ultimate comfort. Built from reinforced acrylic with a sturdy steel frame, it's a stunning, durable centerpiece for any modern bathroom retreat. This Wi-Fi pixel clock is more than just a timekeeper. It's a complete smart desk display. It shows live weather, notifications, social media stats, and even streams music through built-in stereo speakers. You can customize its pixel art faces or display motivational messages in a retro cinema lightbox style. Perfect for creators, gamers, or anyone who loves blending tech with personality, it's functional, fun, and endlessly customizable. Bring the soothing sounds of nature indoors with this tabletop waterfall fountain. Designed with a detailed rock and tree landscape, it creates a peaceful, flowing stream that instantly calms the mind. The built-in LED light adds a soft glow, perfect for meditation, yoga, or unwinding after a long day. Compact yet eye-catching, it's a beautiful way to add serenity and style to your home or workspace. Give your living space a modern glow-up with this three-sided smart electric fireplace. Its lifelike flames, crackling sound, and glowing ember bed create the cozy feel of a real fire without the smoke or mess. With customizable flame colors, ambient lighting, and Alexa or app control, you can set the perfect mood from anywhere. Plus, the built-in heater keeps your room warm and stylish year-round. Transform your daily shower into a spa-like experience with this 2-in-1 dual shower head. Its innovative design lets you switch between or combine a fixed rainfall shower and a powerful handheld spray. With 6 distinct settings, including a Deep Clean Pro Clean mode, it's built for both comfort and convenience. The high-pressure flow provides full coverage and warmth, while the sleek matte black finish adds instant luxury to any bathroom. Kick back and relax in this oversized chaise lounge that redefines comfort and convenience. Wrapped in soft corduroy with plush cushioning, it's like sinking into a cloud after a long day. The built-in USB and Type-C charging ports keep your devices powered, while cup holders on each armrest make movie nights even better. Perfect for any cozy corner, this chair blends modern design with everyday functionality. Say goodbye to germs the smart way with this portable UV sanitizer wand. Equipped with 20 powerful UVC LEDs, it eliminates invisible contaminants on everyday items, no sprays or wipes needed. Compact and foldable, it's perfect for use at home, in hotels, or on the go. A built-in safety sensor automatically shuts it off when tilted, keeping it safe around kids while ensuring cleaner surfaces wherever you are. Movie night just got an upgrade. This portable laser projector delivers true 4K clarity with stunning color and zero eye strain. It's powered by a Tri-LED laser system that makes every scene pop bright, vivid, and smooth. Built-in Dolby Vision and DTS sound turn your space into a mini theater, while the Fire TV slot keeps streaming simple. Set it down, power up, and enjoy a cinematic experience anywhere. Turn any plain wall into a glowing skyline with this smart LED strip kit. It creates a floating light effect that washes your ceiling and walls in rich, vibrant color. You can change hues, dim the brightness, or sync lights to musical with your voice or the app. With millions of color options and 150+ preset scenes, you can set the perfect mood for any moment, day or night. Meet the coffee machine that thinks like a barista. This all-in-one brewer grinds, weighs, and pours your coffee with precision, just how you like it. Choose from full automation or take control with manual settings to craft your perfect cup. The built-in scale and smart app make every brew consistent and easy. From bean to mug, it's pure coffee magic at the push of a button. The future of bathroom comfort is here, and it's smarter than you think. This advanced toilet opens automatically as you walk up and closes when you're done. No hands needed. The built-in bidet cleans gently with adjustable warm water and air drying, while the heated seat keeps you cozy year-round. At night, a soft glow light guides your way. Quiet, clean, and completely effortless. This isn't just a lantern, it's an atmosphere in your hands. The lantern glows with 3 elegant light modes, from a flickering candlelight to a cozy amber or bright warm white. A simple twist lets you set the perfect mood, whether for bedtime, dinner, or an evening outdoors. Lightweight, rechargeable, and water-resistant, it brings calm, warmth, and beauty wherever you take it. Where art meets acoustics, this speaker turns sound into sculpture. Wrapped in natural oak and precision aluminum, it delivers rich, room-filling audio that adapts to your space and mood. Whether you want immersive surround or focused sound, it adjusts effortlessly with a tap or through the app. Designed to sense your presence and awaken as you approach, it's more than a speaker. It's a statement piece that sounds as beautiful as it looks. This hydrogen water bottle infuses your drink with high levels of pure hydrogen using advanced SPE and PEM technology. It helps reduce oxidation while keeping your body refreshed and energized. Built with premium, durable materials, it's leak-proof, portable, and easy to use. Perfect for anyone who wants cleaner, healthier hydration on the go. Turn ordinary water into sparkling perfection with this sleek Carbonator machine. Made from stainless steel, it delivers bubbles with just one smooth press, no cords, no hassle. The dishwasher-safe glass bottle locks in place automatically, so you can fizz like a pro in seconds. Built with premium materials and smooth mechanics, every push feels solid and satisfying. Stylish, durable, and effortless. It's the ultimate way to elevate your hydration game. Cleaning just got a major upgrade. This cordless vacuum packs 200 watts of suction, power strong enough to pull up dust, crumbs, and pet hair in seconds. Its smart sensors detect dirt in real time and automatically adjust suction so you never waste power. The 180 foldable tube lets you glide under beds and sofas without bending or kneeling. With up to 95 minutes of runtime and a 6-stage filtration system that traps even microscopic particles, every clean feels like a breath of fresh air. Finally, a shoe cabinet that actually keeps up with your collection. This 9-tier organizer unfolds in seconds, giving you space for sneakers, heels, and even tall boots. Each compartment has a clear magnetic door, so you can see everything at a glance while keeping dust out. The sturdy build stands tall without wobbling, yet folds flat when you need extra room. Sleek, organized, and surprisingly portable. It's the clutter-free upgrade your entryway's been waiting for. Turn your backyard into a private spa retreat with this inflatable hot tub built for 6. Just plug it in, fill it up, and let 170 soothing jets melt away every bit of tension. The wireless control panel lets you adjust temperature and bubbles right from your seat or even from your phone. Its energy-efficient cover keeps the water warm and ready whenever you are. With headrests, LED lighting, and easy setup, it's relaxation on demand wherever you want it. Turn your room into a personal planetarium with this stunning Galaxy projector. Its 4-megapixel HD lens paints sharp, lifelike stars and planets right on your walls and ceiling. With over 20 preset scenes and thousands of combinations, you can drift through galaxies, meteor showers, or calming nebulae in seconds. Voice control through Alexa or the app lets you change the mood hands-free. Whether it's for stargazing, sleep, or just pure wonder, this projector brings the universe home to you. No more guessing if the water's too hot or too cold. This smart faucet tells you the temperature in real time. No batteries needed. Its flexible spout rotates 360 degrees, making it super easy to wash your face, rinse your hair, or clean the sink from any angle. A quick touch switches between 3 water modes: a smooth stream, a wide rinse, or a powerful boost for tough spots. Built from solid brass with a sleek matte finish, it's designed to last and look good doing it. Sit like a champion. This racing-inspired chair brings luxury and performance right to your desk. The dynamic lumbar support adjusts with your every move, keeping your back happy through marathon gaming or long workdays. Its air-cushioned seat lifts you up, spreads your weight evenly, and keeps you cool for hours. The soft new suede surface feels like premium leather but resists water and wear with ease. Meet the air purifier that thinks for you. This smart 3-in-1 system cleans, heats, and cools, covering an entire home in fresh, purified air. With built-in sensors and AI tracking, it follows your movements and adjusts airflow automatically, so you're always surrounded by clean comfort. Its 4-layer filter removes dust, smoke, pollen, and even microscopic particles for 99.9% pure air. Whisper quiet yet powerful. It keeps your space cozy, fresh, and perfectly balanced day or night. Transform the way your home smells with this smart electric diffuser. It connects to your phone or voice assistant, letting you schedule scents, adjust intensity, and switch between aromas with ease. Using clean, hypoallergenic technology, it releases micro droplets of fragrance that stay consistent and long-lasting. Safe for kids and pets, it fills your space with pure, even scent-no sprays. No smoke, just effortless freshness all day. Light up your space with a floor lamp that does more than just shine. This smart tree lamp features 3 adjustable heads that you can angle for perfect lighting, whether you're reading, relaxing, or setting the mood. With millions of color options, 64 dynamic scenes, and music sync effects, it transforms your room into an immersive experience. Plus, it works with Alexa and Matter for effortless voice control. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.